Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Prabhu Reddy from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. I am studying there under the USN 1VE 23 EC 076. The subject of the video is Introduction to Mechanical Engineering and the subject code is BESCK204D. Today's topic is gonna be about internal combustion engines, that is IC engines, and their classifications and their applications in some fields. Let's start. The internal combustion engine is a heat engine that converts chemical energy in a fuel into mechanical energy. The examples which we consider for internal combustion engines are petrol engine, diesel engine, and gas engine, and so on. They are actually preferred because of their high efficiency, simplicity, compactness, lightweight, easy starting, and comparatively lower costs. Now, let's see the classification of internal combustion engines. They are classified on numbers of basis. Out of those, how IC engine is classified on the basis of number of strokes per cycle will be seen in this slide. Four-stroke engine and two-stroke engine are the two types classified when it comes to number of strokes per cycle. In a four-stroke engine, the working cycle is completed in four strokes. They are suction stroke, compression stroke, working stroke, and last is exhaust stroke. And in a two-stroke engine, the working cycle is completed in two different strokes, namely suction stroke and exhaust stroke. Classification based on method of ignition, spark ignition engines and compression ignition engines. In spark ignition engines, the fuel is ignited by an electric spark, like how in conventional petrol vehicles. Best example are two-wheelers from BS3 and BS4. And in ignition engines, the fuel gets ignited by hot compressed air. Classification according to the cycle of combustion, it is of three types: Otto cycle, diesel cycle, and dual combustion engine. In Otto cycle, the combustion of fuel takes place at constant volume. In diesel cycle, combustion of fuel takes place at constant pressure. And in dual combustion engine, combustion of fuel takes place at constant volume first, and then the combustion is done at constant pressure also. Classification based on number of cylinders, single cylinder engine and multi-cylinder engines. Engines which consist of only one cylinder are single cylinder engines, and the engines consisting of two or more than two cylinders in a particular engine are named as multi-cylinder engines. You can see the picture for examples of the number of cylinders. The picture on the left side is single cylinder, and the picture on the right side is representing a 16-cylinder engine. According to the method of cooling of the engine, the classification is done as follows: air-cooled engine, oil-cooled engine, water-cooled engine, and liquid-cooled engines. The name, as it is, suggests the method of cooling. In air-cooled engines, the heated cylinder walls are cooled by continuous flow of air. In oil-cooled engine, oil is used for cooling the cylinder. In water-cooled engines, water is used for cooling the heated cylindrical walls. And then in liquid-cooled engine, a liquid material called coolant is used for cooling the heated cylinder walls. Classification based on the position of a cylinder: horizontal engine, vertical engine, V engine, opposed cylinder engine, and radial engine. Some applications of IC engines are power generation, agriculture, marine, aircraft propulsion, and automobile. The first picture represents how IC engines are used in power generations. IC engines are generally used in the power generation units, which are single units in the power generation plants. And in agriculture, obviously, they are used for the machineries used for harvesting, seeding, and all other activities. In marine, they may be used in turbine engine used to generate power to the turbine to rotate. And in aircraft propulsion, the IC engines are used for the foremost capability of the engines of aircraft. In automobile, there are many examples like bus, car, bikes, and etc. If you found the slides and the contents useful, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all the viewers.